Hey, good morning, traders. Capo here. Just a couple of beautiful setups I just want to go over. Informational purposes only. I'm just trying to help out the trading community. Been watching Zoom after this big update yesterday. Topped out at 212.88 as you can see. Tried to retest, failed. Did fail green to red as well, but came back, bounced off VWAP 920 cross. Took it short on 205.75. Aggressive short would have been, right up here around 210, 211, but it's riding all the way down. Right now it's at 199.82. Simple 920 cross. VWAP projection. Beautiful fade. Just watching the volume. Second one, this is one of my favorite stocks recently, is MYOK. Micro Yankee Oak. Oreo Kangaroo. What the hell that is. I'm watching this for a break of on 100. If you look at the weekly stock, you can see a huge gap fill that should be happening soon. Pretty much had a double top here off the upper standard deviation at 105.65. Tried to test it, 105.35. Tried to test the upper deviation twice. It failed. You got the 920.50 cross as well as the VWAP break, and things been just coming down little by little by little. Looking at the retest this 98.95 low. Hopefully take it out and be a nice swing short. If it breaks 100 and holds, we're looking to cover in the $75 area. Again, this is just for information. Hope you guys learned something. Hope this helped you out. And have a good day.